The next problem is the value of minus infinity to integral minus infinity to infinity. This is a golden signal. Okay, I will take it as theta. Okay, theta t plus a del dash of t dt. So these are my values. So here the formula is minus of, because I have delta t, delta dash of t. So minus of differentiation of the theta t plus a, and they have to substitute t is equal to 0. So this is my formula. If I substitute t is equal to 0, I will get minus theta dash of 0. Okay. So let me quickly check how I'm getting this one. So integration of minus into infinity delta t, delta dash of t, theta t dt is equal to, it's in the form of u dv. So integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So I'm going to take u as theta t and dv as equal to del dash of t dt. So if I integrate this one, I will get v is equal to integral of dt del dash of t. So u values theta t and v values integral of del dash of t dt. So you substitute that one. So integral of del dash of t dt is del t. So and you have to substitute the limits. So we get the answer as 0 minus integral of v values theta t and du is del of du divided by dt is del dash of t dt, right? So we have to substitute the values. Okay. So if I substitute the value, I will get this answer is equal to, I have to substitute 0, right? So minus of del dash of 0 I will get. So that is what they are substituting in our equation in order to get the minus theta dash of a. So the second problem is find the energy of the signal x of t is equal to 1 by 4t into sine 2t. So these are my options. So you know the formula for energy, right? So integral of minus infinity to infinity modulus of x of t the whole square dt, that is equal to minus infinity integral of minus infinity to infinity 1 by 4t sine 2t the whole square modulus dt. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 4. If I take common, I will get 1 divided by 16. Integral of minus infinity to infinity sine 2t by t the whole square dt. So since it is in the modulus 1 divided by 16, so if I cancel sine t divided by t the whole square, I will get pi. Okay, so since it is sine 2t, I am going to multiply 2 pi 2 with the sum. So I will get 2 pi divided by 16, that is equal to pi divided by 8. Okay, so this is a formula of this one. Answer is pi f. So here it is sine 2t, so it is 2f, 2 pi. Okay, the next problem is the quantity my integral of minus infinity to infinity sine u del of 8u minus 20 pi. Okay, so here I need to take the 8 common. So if I take the 8 outside of del, I will get 1 divided by 8. minus integral minus to infinity sine u del of a u minus 20 divided by pi 20 pi divided by 8 du. So here if I substitute u is equal to 20 pi divided by 8, I will get del of 0. So I will get 1 divided by 8 sine 20 pi divided by 8. Sine 20 pi divided by 8 is 180 divided by 8 is 180 divided by 8 is 90 divided by 4. It is 45, right? So it is 45, 450, sorry. Sine 1 divided by 8 of sine 450. So that is 1 divided by 8 into sine 90, because 360 plus 90 is 450. So what is sine 90? This one. So answer is 1 by 8. That's your answer. The next problem, the value of integral minus infinity to infinity sine 2t del of del dash of 3t dt. So we know that del a of t is equal to 1 divided by modulus of a del t. So if I differentiate this above equation with respect to t, I will get so differentiation of del dash of a t into a divide by that is equal to 1 divided by modulus of a into del dash of t. So you will get del dash of a t is equal to 1 divided by a square into del dash of t. So in this I'm going to take 1 divided by 9 integral of minus into infinity sine ut del of t t. So if I want to make this del dash of t to 0, I will get of 1 divided by 9 sine differentiation of sine 2t and you have to substitute t is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 1 divided by 9 cos 2t and t value is 0, so I will get cos 2t into 2 and they have to substitute t is equal to 0, so I will get minus 2 divided by 9. Okay, so the value of minus integral of minus into infinity sine t divided by 3 del dash of t divided by 2 dt. So here so t divided by 2, so I have to multiply 2 square, that is 4 into minus infinity to infinity sine 2 t by 3 del dash of t dt. So minus 4 and they have to differentiate sine 2 3 and they have to substitute t is equal to 0. So if I differentiate sine t by 3, I will get cos t by 3 divided by 3 and they have to substitute t is equal to 0, so I'll get minus 4 divided by 3. Next problem is consider the signal e power j 3 pi by 9t plus e power j 5 pi by 9t. Its fundamental period is, so here the omega value is 3 pi, omega 1 value is 3 pi by 9 and omega 2 value is 5 pi by 9. So what is t1? T1 is equal to 2 pi divided by omega 1 into m, and t2 is also equal to 2 pi divided by omega 2 into m. So if I substitute, I will get 2 pi divided by 3 pi into 9. On solving, I will get the answer as 6. Whereas for T2, I will get 2 pi divided by 5 pi into 9. I will get 18 divided by 5. So here I am going to multiply m as 5. So I will get the answer as 18. So the LCM of 6 and 18 is 80. So therefore the answer of this one is 80.